Look at that. Look at that. I'm about to eat good. Get all of my stuff together. Where's all my ingredients? We got chicken. We got salad. Got a bag of walnuts. So we're gonna make a strawberry grilled chicken salad with walnuts. I had some extra strawberries and I wanted to use them before they start putting their fur coats on at the back of my fridge. Look at this. I got a bowl. It's slippery. That's fine. That's fine. Making a mess. Yes, we are. What kind was this? Baby spinach and spring mix blend. To get it out, I'm gonna wash it, rinse it. Oh, good. I'm gonna sit this aside. And this little. I was going back and forth on whether I wanted to grill this or pressure cook it, but I think grilling is a good way to go. We ain't touching no chicken today. I got one good piece of chicken ready to go. Please wash y'all chicken. Wash y'all chicken. Don't come around here not washing y'all chicken. This is the grill that I'm using. A great old George Foreman grill. Alright, so now we're gonna season the chicken. So I'm gonna use roasted garlic and herb. And we're not being selfish with the seasoning. Season both sides. Because we eating both sides. Just some black pepper. Some regular schmegler. Too crazy on the pepper. So I'm gonna do a dash of smoked paprika along with some regular paprika. Yeah, you get the point. Paprika really is for the color that I'm finding in my cooking journey. But the smoked paprika is heavy on the smoke, so I really only like to put a pinch on it. Just a smidge, and get a little smudgy. It barely get at. I'm running out. Some olive oil. Just trust me, that's what that say is, olive oil. So now that that's all seasoned and good and ready to go, I'm gonna put some aluminum foil on here because we don't like cleaning grills. No. Where's my tongs? I'm gonna put this on here. Oh, forgot the cooking spray. This will stick to this aluminum foil. Got my homegirl Pam here to visit. Now put this on. Aluminum jacket. Little jacket. So for this, we are going to, just so I can show you what it do. So it's on. Oh, now it's on. Uh-oh. It's on for 5 minutes, so I'm going to put it up to 6. Throw this bad boy on there. Because it's thicker up at the top, I'll flip it to make sure that, I don't know. I'm not quite sure what I'm making sure of, but it just seems like a good thing to do. Leave that down there. Put it over there in case some juices fall out. It can fall out right into the sink. While that's cooking, we're going to use our fancy-mancy regular ass bowl. salad. Salad. More salad. So now we're gonna cut up our strawberries after cleaning those as well. I'm gonna take about, that should be enough. So now with my cut off the tops, and then slices. A lot of strawberries. I have a lot of strawberries on mine. So boom, bow, biggity wiggity. We got enough strawberries for this city? Sure, bars. Tell me that ain't pretty! Get some of my little widows. Walnuts. Now these are already like pieced, but I'm gonna piece them some more. There you go. Even a couple more. That was so effective. I could have did that in the first place. It's already gorgeous. Now we just got to add a little bit of the chicken. It's still grilling, but we're almost done. So we're gonna open it, see what it's doing. It's just a spilling, huh? I don't know where the little catcher is. This thing is like 14 years old. So me personally, I'm feeling, damn it. Let's take her out, see what she do. Look at that! Look at it! So good! So let's see. I'm sure I'm supposed to be cutting this like a whole another. That's not it. How do you cut this? With the green, right? With the green. There we go. That looks pretty good and juicy. Focus. Priorities. There we go. Look at that. So we're gonna chop her up the rest of the way. Oh, oh my goodness, that's delicious. Girl, you might have to do something. Put these in half. Okay, well that's enough chicken on there. Look at that! You see that? Perfection. Let's eat! So I have a couple sauces, balsamic vinaigrette or the sesame ginger. I want to try the sesame ginger. Taste it on a piece of chicken. That might have did something. Oh shit. We're just gonna top that off with a little bit of sesame ginger from that old man's from him. Sesame ginger, add it to this. And if you have some feta cheese, add that to this too. I didn't. Because why not? Because I don't have it. I didn't because I don't have any cheese. Feta cheese. Enjoy.